There is a version of you that only exists at night. You have never met it. You never will. But it works on you every single time you close your eyes. Right now, somewhere in your body, a cell is broken. Its DNA is frayed, its edges are wrong, and your body knows it. But it will not fix that cell. Not yet. It is waiting for something first. It is waiting for you to fall asleep. Here is what almost nobody tells you. Most of your cellular repair does not happen while you are living your life. It happens in the dark, in the hours when you are the least aware of yourself. Your body treats consciousness as a distraction, a luxury it cannot afford while doing its real work, so it waits. And when your brain finally goes quiet, an entire maintenance crew clocks in. Why would evolution build a body that only fixes itself when it is unconscious? Wouldn't it be safer to repair damage immediately, the moment it happens? The answer starts with energy. Repairing a cell is expensive. It takes resources that your body would rather spend on moving, thinking, hunting, escaping. During the day, you are burning fuel to survive the world outside you. At night, with nothing external to respond to, your body redirects that same fuel inward. Researcher Satchidananda Panda, who studies circadian biology at the Salk Institute, has shown that nearly every organ in your body runs on its own internal clock. And repair genes do not switch on randomly. They switch on at specific hours, timed to when you are still. Your liver decodes toxins on a nightly schedule. Your skin produces new cells faster after dark than at any point during daylight. And deep inside your bone marrow, something even stranger is happening. Old, damaged blood cells are being marked for removal, broken down, and quietly replaced, all while you have no idea it's occurring. But the most dramatic mystery is in your brain. In 2012, neuroscientist Maiken Nedergaard discovered a hidden drainage system inside the skull, one that had gone unnoticed for centuries. She called it the glymphatic system. A year later, her team showed it kicks into high gear specifically during sleep. During deep sleep, the space between your brain cells physically expands. Fluid rushes through, washing away metabolic waste, including a protein called beta amyloid, the same protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. This flushing barely happens while you are awake. Your brain, it turns out, cannot fully clean itself while you are using it. Think about that for a moment. The very act of thinking blocks the cleanup. There is a twist here that changes everything. Damaged cells are not always destroyed immediately, even at night. Sometimes your body pauses them instead, freezing a broken cell in a kind of biological limbo called senescence. It stops dividing. It stops causing harm. But it does not disappear. Researcher Judith Campisi, who has spent decades studying cellular aging, found that these paused cells accumulate over the years, sitting dormant in your tissue like unfinished repairs. Sleep does not erase them. It only decides how quickly they build up and how much support the rest of your body gets to manage them. So every night is a negotiation. Fix what can be fixed, pause what can't, clean what waste you can reach before morning arrives, and the whole system shifts back into defense mode. This is why one bad night rarely destroys you, but months of bad nights quietly do. Miss a single night of sleep, and your body simply delays its maintenance queue. Miss sleep for weeks, and the queue never clears. Waste builds. Frayed DNA lingers longer than it should. The paused cells pile up faster than your body can manage them. You have felt the edge of this without ever knowing the mechanism. That fog after a short night, the strange heaviness in your limbs, the feeling that your thoughts are moving through static. That is not tiredness in the way you think of it. That is unfinished repair work, still running in the background, competing for resources with a mind that is trying to function anyway. Somewhere tonight, the version of you that only exists in the dark will begin its shift again. It will not ask permission. It will not wait for a convenient moment. It only needs one thing from you, the one thing you almost never think to give it on purpose. Enough uninterrupted stillness to finish what it started.